The High Court in Pretoria has today heard how accused number 2, Bongani Ntanzi, in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial offered to go into a plea bargain agreement and turn state witness. The lead investigator, Bongani Gininda, made the revelation during cross-examination in the process that's now been described as a trial within a trial. It's looking into the admissibility of confession statements from 2 of the 5 men accused of killing the footballer back in 2014. Newzroom Afrika's Mnisi reports.
Accused number 2, Bongani Ntanzi, continues to maintain that he never made a confession statement voluntarily or that he had legal representation on the day in question. But the lead investigator in the Senzo Meyiwa murder case has now revealed that Ntanzi was planning to turn against his co-accused.
There was a 105 engagement in terms of Criminal Procedure Act, Section 105 capital A, between the state and the accused while he was legally represented. And in the documentation that we have, they firmly say they stand by the 2 confessions that were made by accused. And he elected, as part of his plea bargaining proposal, my lord, I'm sorry, I must say this because the assertion is that they never made any statement. Insofar as admitting the statement he made, went further in proposing the plea bargaining that he will plead guilty and testify against his co-accused. That is the extent of the discussions between accused 2 and the state. So those are the reasons, my lord, why I will not believe now that all of a sudden those statements were not made.
Ntanzi, Muzika Ukulelwa Sibia and 3 others are accused of killing the Orlando Pirates and Bafana Bafana goalkeeper in what the state claims is a botched robbery in Vosloorus. A supporting affidavit read out in court has found that investigators believe that this was in fact a contract killing.
Investigation which resulted in evidence under oath revealed that the victim was murdered as a contractual assassination or hit rather than a robbery or robbery gone wrong. Evidence under oath revealed that 5 suspects actively participated in the planning and execution of the contractual murder of Senzo Meyiwa.
The affidavit was read out after the defense argued that the warrants were issued irregularly by the court due to Gininda's failure to disclose the addresses of the accused. The pair had been in custody for nearly 5 months on unrelated charges. Dismissing that the address is a requirement for a bid to obtain a warrant of arrest, Gininda continued to read the affidavit, which for the first time revealed the alleged involvement of accused number 4, Mthokoziseni Mapisa.
The suspect is linked to this offense by means of certified sworn statement and referred to herein above. He is further linked by means of confession he made to a private person, a close friend, about his involvement in this matter. This confession came about in that the suspect requested this private person to establish reasons why suspect Mafiga was arrested. The information disclosed was that the suspect Mafiga was not only arrested for ammunition but also for the Meyiwa murder. Upon the private person return disclosing this information to the suspect Mapisa, did Mapisa instruct the private person to return to and inform Mafiga, that is accused to not to disclose Mapisa's involvement as Mafiga will be assassinated. It was during this discussion that the suspect Mapisa confessed to the private person his involvement in the matter. Investigation revealed that the role of this suspect was to guard any unexpected people who may come in or outside the house. He was also armed with a small firearm.
In also detailing the circumstances around the confessions, Gininda revealed that Sibia told them who issued the instruction for Meyiwa to be killed.
In the confession, the written confession, not the pointing out, certain things were said by accused number 1, which one followed extensively. And what we followed is in the docket that we disclosed to the defense. As I said, we needed to corroborate what was said there. So there were things that were said there that were followed in terms of his co-accused and where possibly the whole thing came from, the killing of Senzo Meyiwa, because he mentions here who gives them the instruction.
Judge Ratha Mokgwatleng says the merits on the affidavit is regarded as hearsay and can't be admitted at this point until it is determined if the confession statements were constitutionally obtained. Cross-examination continues on Tuesday. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Mnisi at the High Court in Pretoria.